Hey everyone, at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House, and I didn't take a check-in video, so I'm taking a checkout video. We are 5114. Let's go inside and look. So when you first walk inside, you get this beautiful door. You walk in and there's a full mirror. This door over here is if you have family, you can we only have the Value Studio DVC. We felt the kitchen sink was a little small. We had 4 of us in here. We were a little crammed, but that's okay. But there's plenty of outlets. You got your makeup mirror. I just love the eccentric detail that they have here. You know, typical bathroom. This standard doesn't have a jacuzzi bathtub, unfortunately. Your microwave, coffee pot, the basic necessities there. This is a pull-out couch. Say hi, Trina. So we put the couch cushions there. You have a safe, a luggage rack. Your extra pillows and blankets will be in this white bag. And they'll be hiding down there. There wasn't a lot of plugs. There's an ironing board too. There's some plugs up here. A nice flat screen TV. And you have about 4 drawers, which I don't think was enough for 4 people. I don't know. I'm a diva and I overpack. But this is the master bed. There is one plug down under here that we all kind of had to share because there's not really many bed plugs that I saw. This was super cute. It lights up. I really like it. Oops, I think it's unplugged again. I ran into this last video. This does light up though, I promise. If we go in, the lizard's so adorable. I really enjoyed this resort. I enjoyed the details. I enjoyed, even here under the table, my camera bag mess was absolutely beautiful. As far as the design, you also have these end tables, which we had to move. They were over by Katrina here. And they just gave us extra space. So if you need extra space, that works for there. Then this was our view, because it has the people pens. I had asked, just to look at something because I've been so sick. But this is our view. I have all kinds of videos I took of the different animals. There's not too many out this morning, but they were out pretty late. But we saw a zebra, we saw a giraffe. I literally teared up when I got in because there was a giraffe and he was just right over here eating. Right there, they hang grass, and right on this gray thing, the antelope are coming and eating. And we saw some beautiful birds, and these are your porch chairs. You got one there, and I think it's a good sized porch. I'll stand all the way far away as I can stand. So you got probably, I'm 5'9", so I could probably lay down here about twice. We ended up fitting, if where there was 3 of us sitting, we would take and just put this kind of in the doorway. But overall, I think it was an awesome resort, and I give it an A++. All right, so here's the wrap-up video. We're about to check out. I did a little tour. I know it's kind of crazy to do it after, but I really love this resort. I really enjoyed looking at the animals. I really enjoyed just kind of hanging out. It's been a long couple days. The only thing is Mom does have a scooter and the bus. There was 2 buses that came and didn't take her. So that was a little crazy, but the resort was beautiful. I know everything's not open, but it was peace and it was quiet and it was exactly what I needed. So I think we'll definitely be back here again. Feel free to leave in the comments anything below, any questions, any concerns. Like I said, our situation's, really unique, where we travel, not only with a kid, but my mom in a wheelchair and, all that. But we'll meet you at Key West. so funny. They look like zebras. They're big dogs. Some type of bird. So we're about to head to Key West. I just wanted to wrap everything up, say we had a great time. Trina was happy, Mom was happy, everybody was happy. The view was beautiful. This deck I spent the last 3 days out on. So we're gonna try to do Epcot today, and let's see how that goes. We check into Old Key West, so I want to run my camera equipment over there because I want to make sure it gets over there safe. But bye for now.